understand by the intro, my room is quite a mess, and it's always a mess like that. And I know it happens to all of us, especially to me. Like, I don't know why my room is always a mess, and the more I try to keep it organized, the more it becomes messy. So I thought that I'd share some quick ways to organize your room and some basic, ideas to make it look really neat and pretty. So without wasting any time, let's just begin the video. Okay, so first things first, this is my closet and it's very messy. It's an open closet concept. So I basically use the open closet concept because it's easy for daily use. We have a lot of clothes here. It's really messy. So what we can do is, like my key point, my idea of organizing a good decent closet is just to have pieces which you use daily, like regular pieces. I believe in that. I believe in minimalism. Okay, so you can like pick up clothes which you wear on your everyday basis. It's not necessary that you follow my advice. I'm just giving you a basic idea of what I like to wear and how I organize stuff. Or like all the random stuff like polythenes, pens, my examination question paper. What is all this, man? Okay, nice candle. Okay, I can keep a candle here. That's not a harm. So keep a candle here. Then lots of papers on my closet. What's this? Oh, hospital bills. Then yeah, that's pretty much about it. And one last thing which we can add, which I would personally add, is a little organizer box. So, nice organizer, really nice piece to keep your things organized. So I'm just gonna keep it here. A simple foundation would work. Foundation, my perfume, then we have a foundation brush and an eyeshadow palette, which is pretty much my life because I use highlighter, eyeshadow, eyebrow from this palette only. So yeah, this is how I'll keep my stuff here. So it's very convenient and becomes really easy to use your stuff. So I have pretty much everything here. I have my bag here, I have my clothes here, I have my shoes here, I have my makeup here. So this type of concept is really nice and it just becomes very convenient for you to use your thing on an everyday basis. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the organization number 1. Okay, so moving on, we have this table here. It's really messy. Whoa, now that's quite a mess. Now I don't know why my table is always like this. So I have my clips here, all my art supplies here, diaries, pencils. So the first things first, what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna take away all these things. So what is this? Okay, folders, newspapers. Straight to this line here. My friends straight to this line here. What the hell is ice tray here? So I'm just gonna keep my Fevicol here, my Fevistick, stapler, and the random things. So I'm just gonna keep it here. Yeah, that's about it. That's my desk. I think it looks pretty nice and pretty good. I don't have a habit of keeping my room so clean, but for video, I'm gonna do that. So yeah. Jewelry is every girl's problem and especially mine. I wear a lot of jewelry, a lot of dainty jewelry. I tend to misplace my jewelry a lot, so I came up with a way to keep the jewelry. We can always use these. I have these basic mithai ka dabbas which we all have in our households. So I'm using these boxes to basically keep my jewelry. Okay, so I have this beautiful jewelry box here. These basic mithai ka dabbas, and I'm gonna place all my watches on one side, and I'm gonna keep all my nice earrings on one side, and I have these chains here. I'm gonna keep my chains here, and that's about it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I am running late. I have to go to the gym. So yeah, let me know which organization hack was your favorite and how do you like the video. And I would love for you if you would subscribe to my channel and like, comment, share all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Action. Basically organize your room and stuff.
Think about it, don't wanna talk about it. I'm just so sick about it. Can't believe it's ending this way. I'm confused about it, feeling the blues about it. I just can't do it without you.